Hey guys, Sandra here, and I'm back with another video on leadsleap profits. Um, and Thank you for watching. But today I'm going to talk about leadsleap profits again, and I want you to remember this is a system that will help you to create capture pages, autoresponders, and an email list for not only this business, but any business opportunity that you may be a part of. Okay, and that is inside the leadsleap. It's going to train you to do those things. Okay, and then this is what you're going to see when you first log in. Now, when you log in, you have to click the email. It's a second email that says for you to click, to verify your email. So please click that email so you can get further emails from me. But this is what you're going to see. And then when you click join now, it's going to just bring you here, and you'll be able to see my name here. You'll be brought here, and this is where you fill out your information for new registration and new member registration. But basically, leadsleap Profits is a marketing training platform and system dedicated to building your monthly residual income using leadsleap. You will gain the knowledge and training to master the platform to build any business. A complete learning experience while building a huge residual income. Okay, so far, okay, build your email list using leadsleap with our member-only share codes to pre-designed capture pages and autoresponder. If you follow daily step-by-step instructions designed for your system, then you can do this and earn loads of cash daily. Join now and you get instant access to Profit Making Machine. You're going to be able to create a huge monthly income following our step-by-step marketing training. Build a huge downline. And this is building my downline. I will have to admit that I'm getting leads basically almost every day, and people are joining this. It's very lucrative. All right. When you this is the back office here. So when you log in to this will be your members area, member login. Okay, and then when you log in, you're going to come to this page. Now remember, this is not a free system. To use this system, you must first activate your account by clicking here to activate. Okay, you will pay $10 to the person who referred you, which would be me, and then when you refer someone to this system, they will pay you. Okay, and you're basically getting daily training on how to use leadsleap. All right, and every day that you come in here, you're going to get a training. It's going to open up day by day, each one, until you get to 10. It's 10 days of training. All right, and so like day one is here. You're going to get a video here, and this one is about traffic, and she's going to explain everything. Danny Cash is the owner of this system, the one who created it, and she explains everything here very well. It's so easy. Everything is so easy to set up and to understand. And then at the end of each module, you're going to have somewhat like homework, and she's going to tell you what to do and to build your business each day. Okay, and then here is where you can view your signups. We have copy and paste ads that you can use and on your social media accounts. Okay, and then we also, so what is leadsleap? And she's going to explain to you what it is here in this video. Everything is very simple to understand. Shows you how to set it up. You get welcome emails included to send to your prospects. Okay, and then we have here the downline builder. All right, which is this part is important for you to sign up to all as many of these as you can, because when someone else joins under you, they're going to be signing up under your link for these. Oh, she added some new ones. Okay, she added some new ones. You're gonna be joining in. They're gonna be joining up under you. Okay, so this here will help you to not only get credits from their work, but if they upgrade, you will you be getting commissions. Okay, so this is another way for you to make extra money. All right, and so it's very good to and this also, she explains to you how to use the downline builder. This is how you're going to build your opportunity. You can use these downline builders with the lead leaps profits and any other opportunity you're in. This is how you're going to promote your opportunities to people. Okay, as well as using leads leap. So remember, the training is there's the training system to teach you how to use leads leap marketing platform and all the tools that are available there. All right, and so let's go over here. Excuse me, to leads leap. We also have marketing tools here, which are your promotional banners. Excuse me, and some email swipes there to use to promote your opportunity. And so let's go over to Leads Leap, and this is Leads Leap here. So on the back end, you will be making money also with Leads Leaps, because if someone upgrades to a pro member, you're gonna get the commissions from that as well. I didn't upgrade to pro until I signed up for Leads Leap Profits, and I do see a difference in the pro, because the pro ads here, this section, the pro ads, I see much more responses to my ads since I've upgraded to pro. I'm getting more clicks and leads to my opportunities, so it is worth it to upgrade if you can. So like I say, it's not this is Leads Leap, and you're learning the training from Leads Leap Profits. You're learning how to use in the back office, the daily training, how to use Leads Leap. So if you've ever had Leads Leap and you had it for free for a long time, I've had it for free for a long time. The only thing I was using it for was marketing my businesses, and I wasn't using the other stuff here. So the email marketing, the page building, all that stuff. She teaches you how to use everything here. Okay, so it's well worth the $10 just to have the training. Okay, and so let's see, what else did I want to say? So far, let me show you with my Leads Leap Profits. I've already have 18 people that are subscribed and on my list, and this is really building up fast to me, quickly, because this is something that people like. It's training, and it's a one-time fee of $10. If you're going to pay the monthly fee of the 20, after like maybe 3 people, you will have your money back. Let me see. No. Yeah, you will have your money back, and you'll be able to have the money to upgrade. So if you want to wait until you get money to upgrade through the system, that'll be a good way to do it. So basically, this system, the Leads Leap Profit, is helping you to build your Leads Leap as well, to build a downline in Leads Leap. So, I just wanted to hit on those things. Let me see. I have some notes here to see if got everything here. Downline bidder. Yeah. Yeah, so I've touched on everything, but I am getting now I couldn't show you my emails. I didn't know how to separate them, but this here is let me show you if I can get to it. Okay, this is oops, what happened? Oh, let me see. I don't know why I did that. Okay, this here is someone who upgraded with me in leadsleap. This is 4 people that opted into my list on June 27th. I had 2 people opt in yesterday, and then this one was of someone that let's see if I can. This one was someone that had recently joined. Okay, so, and I couldn't, that one I don't know why it disappeared like that, but anyway, so I'm just showing you that to show you that this is working. I am getting leads, I'm getting signups, and I love this system. I'm so glad I signed up to it. It took me a while to do it. I was looking at it like, oh, I don't feel like spending the $10, but it's only one time and I did it, and I'm very happy about it, and it's a very good opportunity to have to promote with your other opportunities that you may have, you know. So anyway, that's all I want to say about leadsleap. It is bringing me signups. It is bringing me it is building my downline just like it says here, and it's doing everything that she says it will do. And so I'm very happy with this opportunity. I'll leave the link below for you to look at it, to sign up, and to look in, you know, to see how you like it. You can look around in there and sign up, but believe me, you will not regret signing up. And everything, the training is awesome. Everything is step by step, and you will learn how to build a business through this. Okay, so everything you need to know is right there in that back office. So anyway, the link is below. If you like this video, please give it a like and a share. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and so that you and ring that and tap the bell, click the bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And remember, you must hustle. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day, evening, or night. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.